Hey, it's Saturday. Good morning and welcome. Welcome to another of my videos again. This is a bit of a short one, but I have done a video of my twist on a lady that I'd seen on one of our acrylic art Facebook groups. I will double check the name to get the name correct. I'll double check the name. She hasn't got a YouTube channel, so I can only say the name, but she did a tree from a swipe and I just thought it was gorgeous, so I thought, oh, there you go, I will give my kind of Aussie card swipe a go with this tree effect. So I believe like hers was absolutely gorgeous. So this is my second attempt at it. So I'm sure you'll let me know exactly what you thought, but by the end of this video I'll have found out the lovely lady's name and I will credit to her that give me the idea, so thank you. But yeah, I'll let you watch as it goes on and work it out for yourself. But today I'm using the Boom Gel paints. That base that I put down was just white acrylic with Floetrol only. And then all of these paints that I'm using on this particular one are the Boom Gel Stain. They're a pre-made pouring paint, as you see, that was a silver and that was a teal blue. You just pour them straight from the bottle, so you don't have to do anything at all with them. Just give them a real good shake. They're very highly pigmented and really high quality paints. You can get them in the USA and Europe. I've got in the description below this video the website for www.boomgelpaints. I think if you're you just have to email them and ask them who is your stockist in your area. But of course in Australia we have the lovely Capriole Shabby Chic, and their link is down below, so you can get the paints from them. But just so easy, it's a no-brainer, you don't have to think about it, you can just pour. So that was a black that I laid down, and now the sand. And I'm going to put a mana crab blue, and there was the fluorescent teal again. So, and then I used a little bit of the black and white mixed with the Boom Gel Booster. So that gives the cells just like Floetrol would. So I'll let you have a little look, and there you go. There's that's the Boom Gel paint mixed with just a bit of Boom Booster, which you get off the same people. So yeah, just enjoy. So there you go. There is my rendition of the tree, maybe with the northern lights. There you go. It is absolutely beautiful. And I finished off the edges actually just with black in that particular one. You'll see the photos coming up. So to credit Jessica Nisbet Gibson, who put her lovely swipe treed. I believe they were swiped. I would imagine they were swiped. But that's my take on it. As always, you see somebody's beautiful art and you want to give it a go, then you do, and you put your own flair to it, or your own take on the actual piece. So thank you, Jessica Nesbitt Gibson, for the inspiration. So thank you guys, you lovely people. Until tomorrow, I'll be back with another pour. Please let me know what you thought about this one and if you're going to give it a go. So I think they're stunning actually. I could just see a whole load of possibilities for this kind of painting. So until tomorrow, take care guys. Bye for now.